Guys, in this video we are going to see about stipules, their types and their functions. Stipules are foliar appendages at the base of the leaf sheath or hypopodium that are often paired and sometimes leafy. They may range from quite leaf-like to small and inconspicuous structures. They are typically regarded as a component of a normal flowering plant's anatomy. Stipules, however, are not present in a lot of plants. The stipules shape and size also vary depending on the species. They typically take the form of scales, hairs, spines, glands, or leaf-like laminar structures. They nevertheless frequently appear in dicots. Stipules-like structures are also seen in monocots. Based on their position, shape, and size, there are 9 different types of stipules: free lateral stipules, adnate stipules, interpetular stipules, intrapetular stipules, ocrete stipules, convoluted stipules, spinous stipules, tendrillous stipules, foliaceous stipules. Now we can see one by one. Free lateral stipules. These are tiny free outgrowths that can be seen at the base of the petiole on both sides. Most members of the Malvaceae family have these features. For an example, China rose. Adnate stipules. In this case, the two stipules are connected to the petiole on both sides up to a certain distance, giving the impression that the base of the petiole is winged. Example, Rosa. Intrapetular stipules. Here, stipules are present on opposing sides of the leaves and are joined by their inner margins. These stipules are positioned between the stem and the leaves. Most members of Rubiaceae have these features. Example, Tabernae montana. Interpetular stipules. The stipules in question are tiny, semi-lanceolate entities that are found on both sides of opposite leaves. In this instance, two pairs of stipules from the two opposing leaves are joined by their outer margins. For an example, Ixora. Foliaceous stipules. They are large leaf-like structures such as those on foliaceous plants like Lathyrus afaca, otherwise called as a wild pea. In Pisum sativum, the stipules look like large leaflets. Ocierate stipules. These stipules, which enclose a large section of the internode and sheath-like and essentially tubular in structure. In this type, a number of stipules combine to form an enveloping sheath. It is a characteristic features of the family Polygonaceae. Example, Polygonum. Bud scales or convoluted stipules. Convoluted stipules are stipules that have undergone modification to become membranous scale-like structures that surround or protect buds. Example, Ficus bengalensis. Spinous stipules consist of sharp spines such as those on Acacia nilotica. They serve as defensive structures. Tendrillous stipules. When the stipules change into tendrils, such as in Smilax, it is called tendrillous stipules. These slender tendril-like structures help the plants in climbing up. Functions of stipules. Stipules may protect the shoot apical meristem while the leaf is small and young. In other plants, they are large enough to contribute a significant amount of photosynthesis. They also help in the retention of moisture in some cases. Tendrillous stipules act as organs of support and spinous stipules act as organs of defense. Now, please answer the following questions. What are the small leaf-like structure or the appendages found at the base of the leaf stalk? Stipules. Leaves that possess stipules are called stipulate. In which plant are the stipules modified into tendrils to help in climbing? Smilax. Spines in plants such as those in acacia or ziziphus are a modification of what structure? Stipules. Which of the following is not the primary functions of stipules? Absorption of water and nutrients from the soil. Thank you.